If the Savior stood beside me, would I do the things I do? Would I think of His commandments and try harder to be true? Would I follow His example? Would I speak more righteously if I could see the Savior standing nigh, watching over me? If the Savior stood beside me, would I say the things I say? Would my words be true and kind if He were never far away? Would I try to share the gospel? Would I speak more reverently if I could see the Savior standing nigh, watching over me? Con el Salvador al lado, ¿qué es lo que diría yo? Mis palabras hablarían con ternura y amor. Sentiría un gran gozo al más reverente ser, si yo pudiera ver al Salvador cuidando de mí. Always near me, though I do not see Him there. And because He loves me dearly, I am in His watchful care. So I'll be the kind of person that I know I'd like to be if I could see the Savior standing nigh, watching